We're going to give you a picture of all of us. At the back of the photo are our photographs so that you'll remember us. And you're also being given by some of the Juvenist jackets. I think this is from Errol, and a box from Ricky Gonzalez. And we also have a from the USA group. Okay, on behalf of all of us. Father Ron,
thank you.
Yes, good night. We'd like to hear a few words.
Thank you, everybody, for not only this beautiful kanda ating pagsasama sa mga araw na ito at sa inyong sign of appreciation kung ano man ginawa ko o yung pagkalibot sa anumang masamang ginawa ko. I really appreciate this sign of our get together, and this will help me to remember these days, which have been very, very important to me. Thank you very much.